Meghan wins legal after half-sister Samantha's case is dismissed by judge. Samantha Markle accused Meghan of spreading demonstrably false and malicious lies. Meghan is celebrating her latest legal win after it was revealed that a U.S. court has dismissed a defamation case brought against her by her half-sister, Samantha Markle. Samantha, daughter of Thomas Markle, accused the Duchess of Sussex of spreading demonstrably false and malicious lies to a worldwide audience in the royal couple's tell-all interview with Oprah Winfrey in 2021. According to PA news agency, who has had access to court papers, a Florida judge has dismissed the lawsuit, saying the mother of two was expressing an opinion about her childhood and her relationship with her half-sibling, and a statement of pure opinion was not capable of being proved false. U.S. District Judge Charlene Edwards Honeywell wrote, "As a reasonable listener would understand it, defendant merely expresses an opinion about her childhood and her relationship with her half-siblings. Thus, the court finds that defendant's statement is not objectively verifiable or subject to empirical proof. Plaintiff cannot plausibly disprove defendant's opinion of her own childhood." Meghan's win comes just a day after she was honored with an incredible award, and as her husband Prince Harry remains in the UK. The Duke reappeared at London's High Court for the final day of the FIDE hearing in his latest legal battle. He is one of a number of high-profile individuals bringing privacy claims against ANL, the publisher of the Daily Mail, over allegations it carried out or commissioned illegal or unlawful information gathering. Harry sat through all of the proceedings on both Monday and Tuesday. You can see his arrival on day 2 below, but was absent from Wednesday's sitting. During his stay in London, it is thought that Harry is also vacating his and Meghan's former residence in Windsor. The couple were asked to vacate the property by King Charles last month. Samantha Markle sued the Duchess of Sussex for defamation stemming from her interview with Oprah Winfrey and the unauthorized royal biography Finding Freedom. A Florida judge has ruled that Meghan's half-sister Samantha cannot sue the Duchess of Sussex for defamation over claims made in the unauthorized biography Finding Freedom and Meghan's comments in her CBS interview with Oprah Winfrey. U.S. District Attorney Judge Charlene Edwards Honeywell has determined that Meghan cannot be held liable for statements in a book that she did not publish, and that telling Oprah she grew up as an only child is not falsifiable as a protected opinion. The lawsuit was filed in Florida in March 2022, and Samantha sought $75,000 in damages, the BBC reported. Samantha and Meghan are half-sisters as the daughters of Thomas. Samantha claimed in the lawsuit that she and Meghan were close during childhood, but drifted after Meghan started dating Prince Harry, who she married in May 2018. Samantha also said she was subjected to negative press after saying in a December 2018 interview that their father should have been at Meghan and Harry's royal wedding. Samantha also took issue with the contents of a chapter titled "A Problem Like Samantha" in the book Finding Freedom, which focused on Harry and Meghan's love story and stepped back from their roles as senior working royals. The book was written by Omid Scobie and Caroline Durand in August 2021. The CBS television special Oprah with Meghan and Harry drew over 50 million global viewers. In the lawsuit, Samantha said it was defamatory that the Duchess of Sussex said she grew up as an only child, and claimed Meghan said Samantha changed her last name back to Markle after she started dating Prince Harry, with defamatory implications. As a reasonable listener would understand it, defendant merely expresses an opinion about her childhood and her relationship with her half-siblings. Thus, the court finds that defendant's statement is not objectively verifiable or subject to empirical proof, Honeywell wrote, dismissing the claim. Concluding in the lawsuit, the judge continued, for the foregoing reasons, the court grants the motion to dismiss. Plaintiff's claims based on Finding Freedom will be dismissed with prejudice, as plaintiff cannot plausibly allege that defendant published the book, and amendment of these claims would be futile. Plaintiff will be allowed one final opportunity to replead her claims related to defendant's CBS interview and her claim for injurious falsehood. In the Netflix docuseries Harry and Meghan, which premiered in December 2022, audiences were introduced to Ashley Hale, Samantha's daughter with whom Meghan is close. In the limited series, Meghan said she wanted to invite Ashley to her royal wedding in 2018 but was told by the palace that she could not. How do we explain that this half-sister isn't invited to the wedding, but that the half-sister's daughter is? Meghan said. With Ashley, the guidance at the time was to not have her come to our wedding. I was in the car with H. I had her on speakerphone and we talked her through what guidance we were given and why this assessment was made, and that's painful. I think I said I was hurt on some level, but I understood where it was coming from, Ashley said. To know that it was because of my biological mother that this relationship, that's so important to me, was impacted in that way. To feel like, because of her it was taken away, has been hard. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, would you please help us like, share and subscribe our channel. Wish you happy to see our videos. Thank you very much.